Yeah, sure, man. I'm on board.
Great. Meet me at my Dominion and we'll work out a plan.
Gene, open up. It's me.
Hey, Delsin!
Why'd you move the clubhouse?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll, man.
Well, no, you're gonna rock and roll. I'm gonna stick to the shadows.
What?
You know, stealth.
Right. Stealth. All right, Stealth, what's the plan?
You know all those suspected bioterrorists we freed from the DUP?
Well, I actually remember it being a rescue party of one, but go on.
It turns out the Akuran gang's been rounding them up and holding them at a construction site near here. They're planning to sell them back to the DUP.
Great. Why don't we go get them?
Well, don't worry, I'm sending my friends to meet you there.
And by friends, I hope you mean an army of archangels and not Melvin and Lenny from your D&D group?
I don't have a D&D group.
Eugene, seriously, man, you've got to lighten up. Okay, buddy, I'm here. Where are your friends?
They're on their way, but you need to check the interior of the site, and they're not so good in enclosed spaces.
Angels are claustrophobic. Great. Anything else I should know about my backup?
They're not so great in water either?
Well, that makes two of us.
Видишь, мочи, пока...
Never saw me coming. Oh, yeah, I think it, and I created.
Пусто. Как он залез?
Construction zone. Should've worn a hard hat. Ладно, твоя взяла.
Keep looking.
Why not? As long as I'm here. 2 down.
Hey, Delsin, you missed a floor.
Damn. Those Akurans are good at hiding people. Whoa, wait, I'm hearing choppers, man.
Get to the roof. DUP helicopters are picking up shipping containers there.
And the conduits must be inside. Damn it, too late.
No, see my angels? I'll have them keep the helicopters close enough to the roof so you can jump on the containers.
Oh, it's not crazy to be awesome. Hey, Angels, heads up! Woo! I'm container surfing! Eugene, here's another one for you. Angels, catch!
That's the last of them.
Delsin, that last container's on the ground in Denny Park. DUP's converging on it now. You can't let them get those conduits.
I am not letting you have these people. Just when I thought this couldn't get more awesome! This will be fun at parties. Do the job? Eugene, you got any more angels you can send my way?
Yeah, look, but it might take a while.
I haven't got a while. Gonna use up all the ones I got in about 2 minutes.
No, look, this isn't supposed to happen.
Don't flake on me now, man.
Look, I can't do this anymore.
Eugene, no, stay with me. Eugene, come on, man, please tell me you did not just leave me at the altar.
Behold, for I have come.
Eugene, buddy, please tell me that's you.
Now prepare to feel the wrath of heaven's fire.
Oh, you guys are gonna hate this. Okay, Teen Angel, softened him up for you. Eugene, when this whole thing is over, you think you can teach me how to do that?
You are not worthy.
You turn into a real ass when you're an angel, you know that? What took you? Well, look who decided to join the real world.
Yeah, you convinced me. Figured I'd give people one more chance.
Well, on behalf of people, thank you.
Yeah, well, worst that can happen, they let me down again. I ran hellfire on their asses.
There you go, kid. Happy thoughts.
Delsin, you near a TV?
Ever since Eugene, I try to stay close.
News reported an explosion at the tower, then immediately retracted. Try to find a good vantage point to scope things out.
Reg, you're right. They're scrambling, but no one's firing.
And now they're ordering all Seattle PD out of an area near the waterfront. Must be something they don't want anybody to see.
Well, hope they don't mind if I take a look.
It sounds like they've carpeted the group with APCs. Stick to the rooftops.
You worry too much. Hey, Reg, I ever tell you how great the views are from up here?
Eyes on the prize, brother. We'll sightsee later, yeah?
Reg, there's scorch marks everywhere. Looks like my handiwork.
Oh, so there's another smoke conduit. Shouldn't surprise you. There's not just one of each.
I don't know, I guess I was just hoping for something new.
Show me what you mean by handiwork. Wow. So this is what it looks like when you... I avoided looking up close.
Hey man, they do the same thing to me.
There he is. Let's go.
Wait, I hear another one.
DUP helmet. Still working?
Situation team respond. Situation team respond. We've reacquired Daughtry east of your 40. Situation team respond.
Reg, this conduit, man, they're saying it's that guy, Hank.
Well, I thought you said she killed him back in Salmon Bay.
She did, or I thought she did. I mean, I saw her kill him. I mean, he's dead, I'm sure of it.
Just keep looking.
Okay, Reggie, I'm gonna admit it. I was wrong. You keep that. A little early Christmas gift for you.